Hello friends, welcome to Learn English Grammar. Myself Priya. We are learning kinds of pronouns. We have already learned personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, reflexive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. And in today's video, we are going to learn interrogative pronouns. But before starting today's topic, let's revise all these pronouns which we have learned already. First is personal pronoun. What is meant by personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are the pronouns which are commonly used for people, animals and things. पर्सनल प्रोनाउंस ये पीपल, एनिमल्स और थिंग्स के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई, वी, यू, he, she, it, they, etc. Then next, possessive pronoun. What is meant by possessive pronoun? Possessive pronouns used to indicate possessions. Possessive pronoun possession दिखाने के लिए यूज़ किए जाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs, etc. Next we have learned that is reflexive pronouns. Now what is meant by reflexive pronouns? Reflexive pronouns are the pronouns used when the action of the subject reflects upon the subject itself. Means जब सब्जेक्ट का एक्शन सब्जेक्ट पर ही किया जाता हो जाता है तब उसे रिफ्लेक्सिव प्रोनाउन कहा जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई सेल्फ, अवर सेल्फ, यूर सेल्फ, देम सेल्फ, हिम सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, एट्सेट्रा. Then next we have learned emphatic pronouns. Emphatic pronouns are used to emphasize the action of the subject. सब्जेक्ट का एक्शन एम्फोसाइज करने के लिए या सब्जेक्ट का एक्शन पे जोर देने के लिए जो प्रोनाउन यूज़ किए जाते हैं उसे एम्फेटिक प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल माई सेल्फ, योर सेल्फ, हिम सेल्फ, हर सेल्फ, अवर सेल्फ, देम सेल्फ, एट्सेट्रा. देन डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. What is meant by demonstrative pronoun? Demonstrative pronouns are used to point out people or thing. People और things को point out करने के लिए demonstrative pronoun use किए जाते हैं. जैसे for example these, that, these, those, etc. Now let's get started with today's topic interrogative pronouns. आज हम interrogative pronoun सीखने जा रहे हैं. Let's get started. Our today's topic is interrogative pronoun. Now what is meant by interrogative pronoun? Interrogative pronouns are pronouns which are used to ask questions. Questions पूछने के लिए जो pronouns use किए जाते हैं उन्हें interrogative pronouns कहते हैं. There are five interrogative pronouns. They are who, whom, which, whose and what. Who, whom, which, whose, what ये 5 interrogative pronouns हैं. Now, how to know interrogative pronoun? When we ask a question with an interrogative pronoun, the answer is always a noun. जब interrogative pronoun से question पूछा जाता है, तब उसका answer एक noun होता है. Now, let's learn interrogative pronouns through some examples. But before starting these sentences, first important thing is this: who is used always for subjective case or always for human beings, and whom is used always for objective case. So here is the first example. Who is there? वहाँ कौन है? इस एग्जाम्पल से हमें यह पता चलता है कि who is an interrogative pronoun, because when we ask this question we get an answer as a noun. जब यह क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है कि वहाँ कौन है तो हमें आंसर नाउन में मिलता है. जैसे वहाँ कौन है, वहाँ एक लड़का है, बॉय है, गर्ल है, या नीमा है, सीमा है, राम है. We get the answer like this only. Now next, who are you? आप कौन है या तू कौन है? We get the answer in noun form only. That is, who are you? आप कौन है? तो उसका आंसर हमें नाउन में मिलता है. जैसे मैं एक डॉक्टर हूँ, मैं एक कारपेंटर हूँ, मैं एक बॉय हूँ, मैं एक गर्ल हूँ, like this. Next, who rang the bell just now? अभी ये बेल किसने बजाया है, we get the answer in noun only, means something the human being. Now next question, what is your name? आपका नाम क्या है, इसका आंसर भी हमें नाउन में मिलता है, we get the answer in noun only. What do you want? आपको क्या चाहिए या तुम्हें क्या चाहिए, we get the answer in noun form only. So all these are like who, what, all these are the examples of interrogative pronoun. Now let's see next examples. Whom do you want to meet? Whom is always an objective case, means in objective case whom is always used. Whom ये word objective case के लिए use किया जाता है. Whom do you want to meet? आपको किससे मिलना है, so we get the answer in human being only, that is noun only. Whom did you see? आपने किसे देखा, we get the answer in noun only. Whom did you buy this book? आपने ये बुक किससे खरीदा है, इसका आंसर भी हमें नाउन में मिलता है, एंड आंसर इज इन ऑब्जेक्टिव केस ओनली. Which do you prefer, टी और कॉफी? आपको क्या चाहिए, आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, टी या कॉफी? Then we get the answer as tea or either tea or coffee. So it is also noun. So we get the answer in noun form only. Which is your favorite subject? In this question also we get the answer in noun form only. That is आपका favorite subject कौन सा है? We can say that maths is my favorite subject. Your English is my favorite subject. Means we get the answer in noun only. So these are also called interrogative pronoun. इन्हें interrogative pronoun कहते हैं. Next is whose is this book? Now, in this example, here whose is also an interrogative pronoun, as here also we get the answer in noun only. ये book किसका है, तो हमें उसका आंसर noun में मिलता है. We can say that this is Rima's book, this is Nima's book. So we get the answer in noun only. Whose is this car? ये कार किसकी है? So we get the answer in noun only. Whose is this pen? ये पेन किसका है? We can say that ये पेन Sachin's pen or Nima's pen or Rekha's pen. But here means here we can say that whose is a possessive case. Means always whose interrogative pronoun is used for as possessive case, because here shows possession. Means when we ask whose is this book, ये book किसका है? It means the book is of somebody, means it shows possession. यहाँ पे possession या ownership दिखाया जाता है. Now but we are learning interrogative pronoun, but interrogative adjectives are also there, and we are commonly confused which is interrogative pronoun and which is interrogative adjectives. Now similar thing in this are both are used to ask questions. इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउन के लिए और इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव्स के लिए ऑलवेज मीन्स क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं वो वर्ड से, जैसे व्हाट, हुज, इससे क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाते हैं. बट इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस स्टैंड अलोन, दे डोंट मॉडिफाई नाउन्स. मीन्स इंटरोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस ऑलवेज अलोन होते हैं, वह नाउन्स को मॉडिफाई नहीं करते हैं, बल्कि उनका आंसर हमें नाउन में मिलता है. We get the answers in noun only when we ask questions by using interrogative pronoun. But in case of interrogative adjectives, they are always used along with nouns. Means they are always come along with nouns. Interrogative adjectives ये noun के साथ जुड़े होते हैं. मीन्स जब हम इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव से क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं तो उनके तुरंत बाद नाउन आते हैं. Now let's see some examples which are starting with whose, which and what. Now these are the interrogative pronouns also, but here are the sentences which are using these interrogative adjectives. First sentence is, means first question is whose book was that? वो बुक किसका है? यहाँ पे you can see that Book is a noun, and this whose means possessive case, means this book is along with the interrogative adjective whose. इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव हुज के साथ ये नाउन बुक ये नाउन आया है, इसे इसलिए इसे इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव कहा जाता है. नेक्स्ट, विच पेन डू यू लाइक मोस्ट? आपको कौन सा पेन अच्छा लगता है? इस पेन इज हियर विच इज ऑल्सो इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव, एज पेन नाउन कम्स along with an interrogative adjective which. What movie do you want to see? आपको कौन सा मूवी देखना है? Here movie is noun and again it comes along with interrogative adjective what. इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव व्हाट के साथ मूवी यह नाउन जुड़ा हुआ है, इसलिए व्हाट इज कॉल्ड एन इंटरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव. Means you can see the difference in interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives is that now here whose book was that? If we ask this question, it is a interrogative adjective, but if we ask the question whose was that book, then this is an interrogative pronoun. In the same way, which pen do you like most? uh, in here also which is an interrogative adjective. So these are the examples of interrogative adjective, and this is the most difference in interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. Now, is the concept clear? If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts or suggestions, then ask in comment box. Thank you.